Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today I am here with a very easy recipe of potato salad. Which this is actually potato salad when we were very small. Our dad used to come from abroad, and he used to make us this salad as a special meal from him, and it's very simple. And the other day I went to a Japanese restaurant, and on their menu this potato salad was there. And when I saw the ingredients, what was included, it is the same potato salad what our dad is to make us every time when he's to come from abroad. So here it is. So it is potato salad. So we need some potatoes. I've taken 4 potatoes and 4 boiled eggs. Okay, and hard boiled eggs. Then we need some parsley, or if you don't have parsley, then you can use even coriander leaves chopped. Then I've taken some white onion. Then I've taken one mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise, the greens, and I will be adding 1 teaspoon of butter, lime juice, pepper powder, and salt to taste. So these are the things what I am going to use in my potato salad. So let's put all potato over here, and we'll mash this potato. So we'll mash our potato nicely. And here it is. So mash this nicely, all very nicely. That is only the best part of this. And now we'll add up eggies, boiled eggs, and we'll mash them also nicely. You can even chop them finely, and you can do. Now we'll transfer this in this. So, and now I will use my hands. So, and mash and mix this all together. And here is my another one. You can chop this, you can, basically you have to mix this all nicely. So this is done. Now we'll add this mayo, which is there, and all this parsley and all this, along with the butter. We'll add little bit of lime juice also. Some do use mustard sauce, but our dad showed us with this only. So I'm taking around 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and let's mix this. You want to add green chilies? Yes, you can add green chilies also to this salad. Totally up to you. But I want to eat it like a salad, and I don't want it like a spicy thing. So I'm not adding anything else. Now pepper powder is there and salt to taste. So we'll add some pepper powder. So this is our dinner today. So I'm adding now pepper powder. So you can add half or 1/4 teaspoon. This is for flavor. And then we will add salt to taste. So salt as to taste. That's it. Very simple. So please boil the potatoes and boil eggs, then it's very easy, and keep all your ingredients. Now we'll mix this all very nicely, and it's done. It's ready to eat and serve. And it's done. So it's ready. And then how they had served us, I will show you. So if you have any shaper, then it's fine. Otherwise, just take like this. And what they had done was like this. So they had served us like this. So you just give a shape. That's it. And here is my potato salad. Is ready to eat. And it looks so nice. And it's very tasty. Enjoy your potato salad. Thank you so much for watching this, and you can make like this one more and enjoy your meal. And it is very tasty. So childrens will love it, because we used to love in our days. We used to wait for our father, wait for our dad to come and make us this simple potato salad, which I realized that day in Japanese restaurant, that it is the same thing. So hope you all will enjoy. Thank you so much.